Hello civil engineers. In this video we are going to talk about why civil engineers have to think about quality control engineer job in RMC plant. Nowadays all over the India the salary for civil engineers as a fresher and also well equipped and well knowledge person or an experienced person is very low. In some company might be big companies like L&T or an XLO. Like these companies, they are big project on their hand and they can give more salary for civil engineers. Apart from some local companies having more project can give good salary for the engineers. Other than that, the civil engineers in India get very low pay and it is accepted by every civil engineer all over the India. Many people doesn't get reference and good companies for their hard work. By this, they are not getting salary that much of they are working. So that only I am telling that working in an RMC is a good option for alternate job for civil engineers who thinking we got very low pay in India. We have to consider the big companies for getting more salary because for site supervisor an average salary package is 6 to 8,000 around all over India, while the same candidate, if they try to work in an RMC plant as a QC or an site supervisor, they can get around 10 to 12k approximately throughout India. The average salary for civil engineers in site and in RMC field it's totally different, and the average salary for RMC plant quality controller or site supervisor is more than the salary which the civil engineers freshers if they go for the field or site engineer or site supervisor. Through this free online course, you can know more about quality control engineer in an RMC plant and what are the things goes around him. Okay, this not only helping the people who searching job in India, it also helping for the candidate who are working related contract in abroad also, because concrete is an universal construction material. So the knowledge you going to gain in this training sessions are more valuable, and more importantly each and every civil engineering have to know more about concrete, then only in future they going to have huge opportunity in concrete, because the world turn around concrete for construction material as a construction material. Literally many of the structures nowadays fully based on concrete. So you have to learn this technology as soon as possible. I have around 8 years experience in concrete field. So I like to share my experience through this YouTube channel. I already made some interesting topics around this in Tamil language. If you like to see, please check my playlist. If you have friends in civil engineering, freshers or experienced person, anybody in civil engineering field, please share this video. They also have to know about these concrete technologies. So hereafter I am going to tell more things about civil engineering concrete technology. Thank you for watching. Thank you.